Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok shadow ban problem. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you think you are shadow banned on TikTok, then the first thing you need to stop doing is to stop any spam behavior on TikTok and to stop posting any kind of an inappropriate content. Next, you'll need to go and uninstall the application and reinstall it back again. Simply go to your app drawer and find TikTok application. Press hold the app for quite some time and tap on the uninstall button from the pop-up. Now, confirm uninstallation by tapping OK from the pop-up. Once the application has been uninstalled from your system, go back to Play Store or your App Store and in the search bar, search for TikTok. Once you make your search, re-download the application and tap open the app to launch it back open. Once you open up your TikTok app, go to your profile by tapping on the profile button at the bottom right hand corner. You can try deleting some of the videos that has been considered inappropriate by TikTok. To delete a video, open up the video by tapping it on, tap on the three dots at the bottom right and swipe the options at the bottom and find the delete button. Tap on delete and delete the content that has been mentioned as inappropriate on TikTok. Once you delete the content, wait for quite some time, and now the next thing to do is to put your TikTok account on hold for some time. Once you delete the offensive content from your TikTok, the next thing to do is to clear the cache for your TikTok app. Simply go to your app drawer and find TikTok from the app list. Press hold the app and tap on App Info from the pop-up. From the App Info page, tap on Storage. Tap Clear Cache button at the bottom right hand corner and this will remove your cache data that has been accumulated in your TikTok app. Now, close the app from the background and check if your app is updated to the latest version. Tap on the Play Store button to launch it open and in the search box, search for TikTok. Once you perform your search, if you see an update button popping up right next to TikTok in green, that means your application needs an update. Simply tap on that button and download the latest version of application. Now all you need to do is to wait for some time and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are getting shadow banned on TikTok and you don't know what to do next. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.